natin itong hotel na to.
Ganda ba?
Oo, 3,000 lang.
Walang pasok talagang kung saan ka pumunta.
Kasi hindi siya RV, hindi ko alam.
Quality. Okay, not necessarily the audio as
Hindi sa trip. Parang takoyaki version ng Japanese. Sige, go.
Sementara itu nikmati layanan Malaysia Hospitality kami dan terima kasih kerana memilih Malaysia Airlines. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your captain, my name is Salim Shah. On behalf of Malaysia Airlines, would like to welcome aboard flight MH805 to Kuala Lumpur. And with me in the flight deck this morning, my co-pilot, First Officer Shamil. In the cabin, we have our cabin crew led by Mr. Adnan. And they are here to ensure that your safety and comforts are well looked after during the flight. Our flight will take approximately Celsius, and that'll be close to land, which will be arriving at 15:30
kasi nakita eh. Si Matthew palagi ko nakita eh. Signature ng Bangkok. Alam mo ka na? Traffic.
Ayo. Ito na yun. Prutas na lang meron man na yun.
Sticky rice.
Yung kain ko lang sila yun. Masaya ka to.
Ayan yung inistay ni Chef RB. Mamari. Sa kanan.
Ano yung pagkikitaan natin?
Central something, sure ba?
Central something.
Pag-google na lang natin mamaya kay Matthew para ma-plot. Pupuntahan bukas. Meeting place.
Central World. Yung ginugel ko nung minsan. Minutes walk lang.
Ilan?
3 minutes. Ayun lang.
Pamala dun sa, ano?
Pulusutan natin. Hindi tayo mamaya bukas. Elephant ano. Pero meron kang biniling ano, shirt nila na elephant. Nasa elephant ba yun?
Andun sa nakasampay pa rin sa mga damitan. nga yung isang lugar bukod sa Platunan na ano, shopping din ng mga mumurahing damit. Nakalimutan ko na yun. Nabidyohan ko rin yun last time.
Lapit na eh.
Ha?
Saan ba ang pritong isda talaga?
Pero masasarap yan. Alam mo naman ang Bangkok, magaling sa pagkain.
Eh, pero kumain kasi tinan mo. Mali siya, kakain din tayo sa mga ganyan.
Oo. Ano iniisip ko dati, no? Paano nga tayo nagiging matagumpay na, no? Walang internet, walang... Ako nagnanavigate pa rin nun dati. Tea, ang ano, milk tea. Yan ang mga tikman nyo rito. Ganda ng city, oh. $1803 dito. Alam mo ang mura nitong hotel na to.
Ganda pa.
Oh, 3,000 lang to.
Maligo, tama ba? Hilamos lang?
Gusto mo ba yan?
Kaya na siguro.
Boy, ang dami mo ng pinuntahan bansa. Ah. Talagang walang pasok, talagang kung saan ka mo punta. Walang pasok na online lang. Galingan mo naman pag-aaral na. Ano, fulfilled. Mango sticky rice. 100 baht.
Pero kumain na muna kasi... Ay, ito, roti. Sarap yun. Kasi... Shoot, ang sasarap. Ang sasarap ng pagkain. Ang sasarap ng pagkain, promise. Okay, worth it to. Ang gaganda yung cheeses eh. Mahal yun yung cheese. Nakakain ako nun eh. Kasi pwede tayong mag-request ng omelette. Ayaw mo. Pwede yung tubig nila de bote. Marami naka-check-in. Maganda talaga yung hotel na to. Maganda talaga itong hotel na to.
Kasi kung sa akin nila eh.
Nakailang hotel na ako dito sa Thailand. Ito ang maganda. At napasukan. Napasukan ko lang. Kasi ang kay Chef RB, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tsura personally eh. Pero maganda rin yun eh. No?
Mario. Labas ka na.
Ang ganda to. Panalo yung bahay na yun. Solid. Okay ka lang? No? Paano? Sakit lang. Hindi naman tayo saksikan kagabi ah.
Hindi nga. Ako naman sa sinipsip.
Good morning, Bangkok. It's a beautiful day. Wala kami sa ganitong tsurahan. Ang ganda nitong hotel na to kasi sobra. And mura lang. This is only 3,000 per night, Novotel. Pratunam, sa tapat lang ng mga pamilya ng sentro mismo. It's really nice.
Ah, 好，你逛一逛在成都市场。哦，你听得到是吗？听得到吗 ？OK， 我是泰国人的，说不要你的好吗？好 ，OK， 可爱的，谢谢。OK， 你是逛一逛的，买水果，很便宜点水果。
Yeah. All right, and the highlight of that cafe is albino buffalo or pink buffalo. It depends on your view call. It's difficult to find an albino buffalo like that in our country because almost of our buffalo will have the black color, black one. They're so cute. You also can play with them. It's a lovely family, have mommy, papi, and baby. They're so fun. picture. Except this place, you will see the salt farm because if you go to the another province in the Thailand at the central part, almost of the farm you will see that rice farm. Except this place is salt farm. That means almost of the store along of this road they sell about the salt. It's good one. When the Thai people be here, they will buy a salt, cheese, and quality. Okay, not just only the salt you also can get from this province. You also can buy mackerel fish, Thai tuna. Thai people call tuna. Our mackerel fish is smaller than your mackerel, but the taste is quite good. Almost of the Thai people like to get mackerel fish to make some deep fried mackerel fish which they steam rice and shrimp paste, deep salt. It's good one. Thai people like to eat that. We don't eat tom yum or pad thai in the everyday. We have the another menu. I will recommend you later which one you must try. But I don't recommend to buy a salt or mackerel fish for you.
Actually, sige, mamaya na lang. Tungkol kay mama, hindi sa trip. Ha? Wala ba? Ano? Hindi ata kami.
Baka mabitawan ko.
Hindi yun. Baka dakutin. May... Kaya mo na, okay lang ako dito.
Tulad na lang ako.
Ah. Kaya mo tumayo na. Para makita mo. Pwede mo tingnan yun. Kita ko pa na dito.
เดี๋ยวเขาเบรกเขาว่าแล้วเขาว่าเราอีกเขาด่านะอย่างนี้เขาด่า
Kaya mo na.
ให้ดูเล่นหน่อยแล้วเขาด่ารวมหมดเลย
Dito, sa kaliwa. Ayan na, ayan na. Pinangukuha minsan ng cellphone niya. Kaya hindi ko nilalapit dyan talaga.
很好吃吗？很好吃。你做船立马100泰铢，很贵的，100泰铢很贵的。还有椰子冰淇淋啊，冰淇淋椰子的椰子冰淇淋，60铢可以买。 啊，还有啤酒的大象，你喝啤酒吗？不喝，喝吗？不喝啊，很贵的。菠萝小饭，对，还有ผัดกะเพรา鸡肉ผัดกะเพรา猪肉ผัดกะเพรา泰国人喜欢猪肉鸡肉ผัดกะเพรา的，还有辣一点点，还有冬阴功汤，对，知道吗？冬阴功汤很辣的，辣着辣着泰文的，เผ็ด spicy เผ็ด你不吃辣的ไม่เผ็ด no spicy ไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ดอ๋อไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ดล่านะเผ็ดคุล่าไม่เผ็ดเดี๋ยววันทาผัดไทยไม่เผ็ด对的你们到这码头还有逛一逛逛一逛买东西去吴山还有水果还有椰子还有的还有冰淇淋你喜欢你买你不用买好吗你先逛一逛还有学家到了你是上车几点集合我讲一下几点集合几点集合讲一下对的等一下我讲一下好吗饿了没有饿了最爽等一下最爽OK 听得懂吗OK
Please come to me. We will help you to take a boat. When you stay in the boat, you should to respect the rule. The first one, your belonging, that's your responsibility. If you bring some belonging or something with you, let's beware that by yourself. Let's be careful about that. If you bring the grasses and any kind, let's beware. Because in Sulan, when you feel from the morning part, it's for accident, not include your belonging. When you get into the boat or get out from the boat, please recheck your belongings first. Don't must to hurry. Okay. And the second thing you should to beware any part of your body. Because the boat is quite small, have the 3 seats, 2 to sit 2 person per 1 seat. It's quite small, that's made the tourists, they would like to touch the boat. Keep the finger out from the boat. Like this, or take an elbow beside of the boat or take a head out from the boat to take some selfie. Don't do like that because the canal is so narrow too and have the many boats inside. Some boats go so speedy. It's so dangerous to you. It's possible to hurt you. Then take any part of your body beside of yourself. Okay, that's all you must know. Just 35 minutes and after then when you boat reach to the main market. After we bring you walk to the meeting place, you are free. If you would like to have a lunch meal, let's get from the floating market. For us, we recommend J Now restaurant. J Now Blue Board. If you ask me later, I will show you. But can't louder because they have the many restaurants.
Ano yung sa mga bro?
Ano nung tumayo na game na ba niya? Bisa yung game na yun. Game na yun. Game na yun. Hindi ka game god.
Malaki kasi yun. Ito maliit eh.
Para ano, pag nahuli.
Nagsisimula pa lang. Nagsisimula pa lang. Oh, yan na nga yun. Super start. Ayan, si nanay. Nakita ko na rin siya last time. Iihaw. Oo. Kaya ko lang kung saan tayo bababa. Depende sa ano. Pero ito na yung simula. Hindi ko lang alam. Depende nga kasi kung saan ang last stop eh. Kamay na, kamay. Malakas makaipit dito. Ha? Ah. Eh, paborito mo ah. Ay, saan? Eh, buti hindi ako nakatingin. Doon ako tumingin sa kaliwa eh. Oo na.
Oh my God, nice me.
Ayan o. Oo. Nakakatakot yun. Oo. Buti hindi mapunta tong ano natin. Kasi kung mapunta to, mahirapan tayo eh.
please. Two. Parang takoyaki version ng Japanese.
Ganun na paaga yung exam namin.
Ano ba oras?
33 pa lang.
Ano na sabi?
Hindi mention mo.
1 hour delay.
Wow, 1 hour delay tayo. Nakakalimutan mo. Saan sayo mo?
Ha?
Ano sayo mo sa teacher mo?
Wala, ditoin ako mamaya. Wait lang.
Ano na nandito?
Ewan ko, toilet ka, ano na, tsaka cafe na nalala.
Na sinabi niya?
Saan yung buffalo?
Baka siya nandito. Ayun na nakaupo sa dock. Yung white buff.
Siya pa yung expect yung totoo, di ba?
Nandito yata. Ayun yata eh.
Saan?
Ito. Doon tayo dumaan sa bato-bato. Baka maputikan tayo eh.
Oo nga na.
White ba yan?
Hindi mo white na, brown yun. Ay, oo, white na. Mamula-mula lang.
White Castle Whiskey? Baka hindi buffalo yan. Baka kabayo yan.
Sarap mag-upo-upo dun, oh.
Ano yung white yan? Eh pula yan. Ah, yung isa oh, puti. Yung kalahati. Kalahati nga lang.
Buffalo lalaki na. Di ba?
Hindi yata. I-check mo nga. Pati ako nagulo tuloy. Na-confuse.
Team, walang
Sige, go. Oh, okay ka lang? Patpong Night Market. Eto, anak.